We are way past this point of this air layer. This thing should have been off probably weeks ago. It is past due. You got ants. You have a fig tree growing from here and a fig tree growing from here. That means it's ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut right here, probably about right there. And that'll give this point in the ground all the way up to here. All the roots are right here. This is my first time doing this with a regular tree. I've done it with citrus trees before, and I've been successful. So how I know this tree is still alive, we actually started this back in April. How I know it's still alive is 1, I'm getting figs from the tree. 2, it still has its leaves. That means the tree is still functioning. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off right about here. Timber. All right, now here's exposed wood right here. There's a few schools of thought with leaving an open wound on a tree. Some people just leave it. Some people add something called like tree tar and they cover it so the moisture won't get to it. I'm gonna try something a little bit more natural. I'm gonna rub aloe on here and see if that works just as good. Here's another cool thing. You got this growing right here, and this is coming up also. All right, that should be enough for right now. This part is done. Let's go find your new home. This tree is loaded with figs. Now the cool thing about planting a tree is if it's not happy in this spot, before the roots really take hold, you can move the tree to a happier spot. You can tell the tree is happy by the outcome. Actually, you can tell within a few weeks if the tree loves this spot. Now I dug this hole earlier. This is all native soil, and I put a lot of goodies in the soil. Let's take this off. See what kind of roots we have. Ooh, that was a bug. Check this root structure out. Are you helping today? Come on, Hollywood. Yeah, he always wants to be in film. Look at that root ball. That is beautiful. Nice thick roots. That's what I was looking for. Once in the hole, I'm gonna water it in heavy. Nice and dry, look at that. Loosen it up so the roots can venture out from the ball. This, my friends, is how to create a second tree. If you don't have the money, or you do have the money but you don't want to spend the money, this is a wonderful idea. Is that a fig?
Yeah.
That means somebody must be eating. You eating on the job? Okay. All that's left to do now, water it in and let nature take its course. Not bad. I hope she is happy right here. It'd be good having a tree right here with fruit, so everything's not concentrated in one area. Oh, we got a fig that's ready. I've been waiting 5 months to do this video. I've been waiting for this tree to get some nice roots, and it did. It still has all its leaves. It has new growth on it. This is how you can tell new growth with the green. I separated this from the other tree, and at first I thought it was growing underneath the root ball, but it wasn't. It was actually one tree trunk that actually split into two above the root line. So that is good with a root graft, line graft, but this is good. What's gonna happen is it's gonna start getting colder. All these leaves are gonna drop. If this tree is successful and it wakes up in the spring, once it goes to sleep, wow, this tree is gonna get probably 20 feet tall. And you know what? I may let it get crazy tall. Hopefully it's gonna do well here. This part of the yard does get some sun, even though we have all these high trees right here. It does get some sun, so knock on wood, stay tuned. See you on the next video. Stay tuned for the updates on this. Thanks for watching. Peace. I'm taking you. Ah, no, you got ants in you.
Yeah.
Nope.